Hi, welcome to The Knowledge. My name is Veck and I run Veck Salon in Oxford. Our mission is to make hairdressing more professional, ethical and sustainable. I love everything about hair and today I want to share my passion with you. I'm going to demonstrate one of the hairstyles from my collection Silhouette. This is probably one of my most successful collections to date. The hairstyle I've chosen to show you is the twisted elevated braid. This hairstyle didn't happen by chance on the day of the shoot. The idea came from a more commercial style I did for a bride. I then expanded on it to create an avant-garde image. Create a scalp plait in the center of the head in order to secure your first piece of padding. Then do another braid over your piece of padding to enable you to attach a bigger shape. If you want to create a gravity-defying style, the foundation of your work has to be strong. Using 2 medium-sized padding rather than 1 will achieve this. Take a section from the left side and start twisting the hair. Keep the tension really tight. Move across to the other side of your client. Add a section of hair from the right side. Keep twisting. Then move to the opposite side. The bamboo sticks are used to stop the twisted hair pieces to roll down your shape. Keep repeating that movement until you run out of hair. I found out over the year that what tends to make a beautiful image is the consistency and the repeat of a technique. Practice makes it perfect. Make sure you master your hairstyle on a mannequin head before the day of the shoot. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more, please go to The Knowledge on the Fellowship website www.fellowshiphair.com. Stay tuned as I will be posting more videos.